Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Well, as you can see, I have started on my building, the new shop, tool shed, whatever you want to call it. We have started, and I do have the pad completely dug out. The building is only 26 by 36, but I'm walking up here on top of the dirt pile so we can kind of get a better view of things, and I'll kind of show you what's going on. So like I said, the building's 26 by 36, and I wanted area for parking, and I wanted just a small little area for parking, and then also I want to keep it back away from, which I'm supposed to, because of zoning restrictions, I have to keep it off my property line 10 foot on either side. So with that being said, I dug out a massive area, and I'm standing on top of all the topsoil that I just dug out. So what we have, like I said, we're 12 or 10 foot away from that fence, 10 foot away from that fence, and so basically the building will sit inside there 10 foot back and 10 foot over, or 10 foot up and 10 foot over, and we're at 26 by 36. And then basically you'll come in, as you can see that white line right there, that's the drive going clear out to the road, and you'll come through. You'll have to come over just a little bit and go into a garage door about right here, and then there'll be a walk-in door about right here. So got my building materials over here. Tomorrow I hope to get stone put in at least the building pad and start digging out the driveway and get stone in it. This is going to be kind of a two-part video. I'm gonna go over the shop and where I'm at with it so far, and then also, like the title says, we do have some mats for the Gladiator. It's a new company, or not a new company, but it's a company. It's ANUTV Pro on Amazon. They reached out to me, wanted to know if I wanted to try a new set of their mats, kind of like a WeatherTech type thing. But the whole set is like 120 bucks. Right now they're pre-order on Amazon if you guys want to check that out. Link will be in the description. Also, I am on TikTok now, and same thing as everything else is, it's Chad Meyer 73. So if you guys want to, there is a link in the description also for my TikTok page. So anyway, update on the shop. As you can see, had a little oopsie daisy on the gate here, but no worries, this is coming down. Driveway is cut in and done up to the fence here, or up to the gate, and then this gate is going to actually come out, and I'm going to widen it out just about right there, and I'll have just a single 14-foot tube gate, or cattle gate if you will. Get some new pickets, fasten that to the tube gate, and there'll just be a single swing up to the fence right here. Driveway is going to follow on along right in here. Back to the shop. I guess for an update, I do have my pad and everything dug out. Like I said, I've got stone in up front. I did that once I had a dump trailer here. I started digging this out beforehand, and now I just got a mell of a hess on my hands here that I gotta get taken care of. We had, like I said, we had a hell of a storm shortly after, the next day after I dug all this out and started stoning. And you can see I've only got stone in the back side back there, but the rest of it is a lake. So we got to get a pump this out. This is just about, it's went down just a little bit, but not a whole lot. I went, let's see, this is 46 by 56, and then I went 10 inches down until I hit good clay, and you can see that this is, I've got good clay because that water's been there for over a week now. I'm just kind of waiting it. Right over in their area there is a tile, but I must have some dirt packed in it. There was a small suck hole there that it can't even get away there. So I'm gonna have to get a pump in here, pump this water out, continue to cut the driveway in, and then just stone everything as I'm coming back. First and foremost, I do have to get that shed unloaded and cleaned out and moved, because as I spoke in the past, that does have to stay. So that's kind of where we're at. That dirt pile is gonna go, but we have some other stuff up front there that we have planned. All that stuff is coming out. New deck, new patio. So I'm just trying to decide how much dirt I want to save and how much I want to haul out. I've already hauled out quite a bit. That pile was clear out to where you see the grass there. That's how much I've hauled away thus far. Everything that come out of just this hole, everything out of the driveway has already been hauled away and then restoned. So with that, there you go. There is a small shop update. Kind of showing you guys where I'm at with that. We are getting some really good weather now that I'm able to get out here and get some work done. And hopefully I can get it up and get it running within the next, hopefully 2 months is my goal. Get it up and get stone in it for right now. If I've got to wait till fall to do my concrete work, then so be it. So you guys know the summers are extremely busy with Jonah's race schedule and everything else that's going on within my life. So anyway, let's go out here and see if we can't get some floor mats put in the Gladiator. All right, getting to the task at hand. Like I said, these are from Amazon, and it's from an Amazon store called A&UTV Pro. These are for the 2021 Jeep Gladiator. They will fit the Sport S, and the Overland from what I saw. The reason being is there is some different interiors as far as this pocket right here, or this storage underneath the seat. So you want to make sure and get the right one because of this bump out right here. These are cut especially for this storage unit underneath of the rear seat. Looks like they're pretty nice, should fit. Hopefully this is the driver's side, so we'll go ahead and snap it in place. Had to push kind of hard to get that to snap in place. Don't know if I quite like that. It has this drain plug right here. I don't know if I really think it's necessary to have that drain plug. They do have plugs you put in here. If that wasn't in there, they would sit tight to the floor. But as you can see, it kind of sits off of the lock just a little bit. But other than that, not too bad. I'm going to see how this drain plug clips in there, and I think what I might do is take it back out and cut just a little bit of that out of there so it sits flatter on the floor. Other than that, not too bad. Seems like they fit pretty good every place else. So we'll go ahead and get the other ones in. And as far as the back goes all the way across. It does have 2 anchor points, 2 on each side. And then the same thing on the passenger side, it has anchor points also. So let's go ahead and grab the passenger side and see if the drain plug is the same there. Now passenger side, it went in pretty nice, but it's still, that drain plug is holding that up just a little bit. I don't know what the purpose is of the drain plug because there's really no drain there. If you're gonna pull it out, all you gotta do is dump it on the ground or wherever you're at. So grab the back, put it in, then grab those drain plugs out of the box and kind of see how those fit in there. All right, I did cut the back side of that off. I just cut that much of it off. You can see that made that sit down on that lock just a lot better. And we'll go over to the passenger side and I'll show you exactly what I did. So you see there's a drain plug installed. There's what I cut off of the back side. Still keeps it in place, but I cut that much off of it. And it just allows these front mats to sit in there a lot nicer. Just like it. Back fit really nice, no trimming, which you're not supposed to have any trimming anyway. I just was doing it because of my own anal retentiveness, basically. This is what I was talking about right here. You can see how that fits up against this storage tray nice. There's some of them that I've found, it comes clear back up in here because they don't have that storage tray like that. Driver's side on the rear is the same way. Fits really nice. Nice and tight up against the tray. Tied up against the cup holders. Locked in place, not bad at all. All in all, I'm pretty happy with them for, I mean, they'll be $119, 120 bucks on Amazon. If you guys want to check them out, like I said, the link will be in the description if you want to check those out. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have tonight. I just wanted to update you guys on the shop. Let you know where I'm at with that, and also show you these the floor mats we got in for the Gladiator. Thank you very much to them. I do appreciate it. Also, next week, coming next week to the Tool channel. So you guys stay tuned. If you don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll see you guys in the next one.